Welcome, everyone. I'm glad you're joining us on this very special day. As most of you know, Mercedes-Benz Trucks has over 125 years of history, so we've had quite a few special days when we look back. We've introduced many industry firsts. Today, we're here to present our first series-produced electric truck. And I think it's a really special truck. It'll change the industry for real. Let me introduce the Mercedes-Benz e-Actros, a new truck for a new era. This truck has been developed together with our customers, and it's now going into series production. But this is not only a truck launch, we're also launching a full range of services from day one to enable our customers to switch to e-mobility easily. So I think you understand why this is an exciting day for me, for my whole team, and for the industry. With this truck, we can make a difference, and we will make a difference, both for our customers and for society. I think it's important to acknowledge that transport is part of the problem when it comes to climate change. At the same time, we can and we will be part of the solution. Launching the e-Actros is an important step toward our long-term target to offer only CO2 neutral vehicles in Europe by 2039. We're really committed to that vision, and we're working on a full range of zero-emission trucks. Today, we're focusing on the e-Actros, but I'm happy to tell you that our next electric Mercedes-Benz truck is already in the making, the Mercedes-Benz e-Econic. It'll make waste collection not only locally emission-free, but also very quiet. This will make a positive difference, especially in cities where noise pollution is quite a burden. We will introduce the e-Econic later this year. But now, let's take a closer look at the star of the day, our e-Actros. Andreas, you're the head of sales. What's your favorite thing about this new truck?
Thank you very much, Karin. To narrow it down to just one thing is difficult, because every feature is ready to deliver on our customers' expectations by following two guiding principles. The customer is in the center of all our efforts, and we test in real-life conditions together with our customers. So the partnership with our customers is at the core of our brand. Together with us, our partners from the innovation fleet drove more than 500,000 kilometers as part of their daily business and put our e-Actros to a hard test. Everything we have learned along the way, we have put into the e-Actros, which is now entering series production. Besides that, the question I get most often from our customers is regarding range and payload. Our e-Actros will come with a range of up to 400 kilometers, and the total vehicle weight will be up to 40 tons. Regarding battery capacity, we will offer 3 or 4 battery packs with 315 to 420 kilowatt hours. With this, the e-Actros can cover the majority of use cases in heavy distribution. Or, as we put it, the Mercedes-Benz e-Actros is charged and ready.
Thanks, Andreas. So I think this truck will really work for our customers and also for society. It will help to reduce the climate impact of distribution trucks significantly, especially in interurban and inner city areas. And there's more. It'll also contribute to improve air quality and reduce traffic noise. Imagine this e-Actros delivering food at a supermarket. When arriving, its noise will be around 60 decibel. That's about as quiet as 2 people talking to each other. We've also worked hard to improve the carbon footprint of the e-Actros over the entire life cycle. And as of next year, it'll improve even further since we're converting to CO2 neutral production at our plant in Vert. Now, let's learn a little bit more about the technology. Andreas, please give us the details.
Our e-Actros is the first big milestone on our way to CO2 neutral transportation. Therefore, it was clear to us that as standard, our e-Actros has to come with many of our industry-leading features, such as mirror cam, our state-of-the-art multimedia cockpit, active brake assist 5, side guard assist, and many more. But the most exciting part is our highly efficient e-powertrain. So let's have a closer look. Our e-powertrain is a tailor-made solution for e-truck applications. The e-axle contains 2 integrated electric engines. Combined, they provide 330 kilowatts continuous power and 400 kilowatts peak power. At the same time, the e-powertrain minimizes the noise level significantly. This will allow night deliveries and avoid possible city bans. And our drivers will love it as well. The perceived noise from the drivetrain at full acceleration will be roughly half of a modern diesel truck. As said before, the battery system is available with either 3 or 4 high-voltage battery packs, each with an energy capacity of 105 kilowatt hours. The system can recharge with up to 160 kilowatt. Or, in my words, the 3 battery packs need a bit more than 1 hour to recharge a battery from 20 back to 80%. Plus, our intelligent energy recuperation increases the range of the e-Actros. So you see, the e-Actros stands for sustainability, as well as for driving performance, safety, and efficiency. But let's hear about the new e-Actros experience directly from our drivers.
Das Fahren mit den e-Actros ist ein Traum. Der Anzug der Elektromotoren ist super, das Fahrzeug ist extrem leise.
Ich habe halt gleich den Speed, wenn ich irgendwie anfahren muss, die Maschine ist sofort da, die ist bereit.
In het begin denk je van, hij doet het niet, dus ik ben er wel trots op dat ik daarmee mag rijden en kan rijden ook. Dat geeft wel genoegdoening.
Das lauteste an dem e-Actros, das ist der Blinker.
Nou, vrachtwagenchauffeurs zijn heel erg verbaasd en eigenlijk personenautochauffeurs ook, dat hij zo snel meekomt in het verkeer. Ik bedoel, hij trekt net zo snel op als een gewone auto.
Jetzt gehe ich vom Gas weg und jetzt segeln wir. Somit brauchen wir auch keine Energie.
Mercedes hat hier einen vollwertigen elektrischen LKW auf die Beine gestellt. Das können nur die, sonst keiner.
Het is schoon, het is milieuvriendelijk.
Für mich persönlich ist das mein Baby. Es ist traumhaft gut, mit dem Ding Einsatz zu fahren. Ich kann mir nicht mehr vorstellen, lange Strecken mit dem Diesel zu fahren, wenn ich die Möglichkeit hätte, einen e-Actros zu fahren.
We're really happy about this positive feedback. It's good to see that the drivers had such an amazing driving experience. Our customers worked with our test fleet for more than 2 years and shared their insights. And that helped us tremendously to tailor this truck perfectly to their needs. So I want to take this opportunity to thank both drivers and customers for your helpful input and your collaboration regarding our e-Actros. We truly co-created this new truck. While working together, another thing became very clear as well. Buying an electric truck is just the first step towards CO2 neutral transport.
Ich empfinde mich so ein bisschen als Übergangsgeneration. Bin mit Dieselgeruch in unserer eigenen Werkstatt aufgewachsen und jetzt schnuppern wir in das Thema E-Mobilität hinein. Und dass wir da mitmischen dürfen, macht uns natürlich stolz, klar.
Nou, de eerste ervaringen met de e-Actros zijn heel erg positief. Mensen die omkijken, die hem nakijken, zelfs die de duimpjes omhoog steken. Het gebeurt spontaan in de stad.
Ja, we zijn zeker ook wel trots dat we ook nu met dit voertuig wederom zeg maar, iets echt vooraan staan. Die noodzaak is er omdat wij in 2025 te maken hebben met de zero-emissiezones in Nederland.
De uitdaging is voor ons als logistiek dienstverlener van hoe ga je ervoor zorgen dat onze wagen storingvrij de dag doorkomt en niet met lege batterijen komt te staan. En we weten gewoon dat die communicatie tussen wagen en charginginfrastructuur, die is heel belangrijk. En als er nog een klein dingetje misgaat, dan doet mijn auto het niet. Dat is belangrijker dan ooit.
Rund die Uhr ist das Fahrzeug im Einsatz und integriert sich nahtlos in die Flotte.
Mercedes-Benz heeft vanaf het begin af aan, toen we dus met dit project starten, ook de koe bij de horens gevat. En ook ons, en met name Albert Heijn, bij de hand genomen van, joh, onze wagen werkt het beste als je die en die laadapparatuur op die en die manier gaat installeren. Mercedes heeft in feite naast de wagen ook know-how en diensten geleverd om te zorgen dat die laadinfra gaat werken met die auto. Want zonder dat waren we nu nog niet halverwege geweest.
Het is niet alleen het kopen van een truck, het is een heel systeem.
We got it. Making e-mobility work is obviously not only about the truck, it's about the whole system. Our customers need to know many things to integrate the e-Actros into their existing fleet. Like, what kind of charging setup do I need? Or, when is the best time to charge my trucks? And can I charge them all at the same time without turning off the lights in my whole neighborhood? Can I stick to the standard routes my trucks are driving every day? And of course, there are many more questions. We want to support our customers to answer these questions, so we will offer a dedicated set of services along with our e-Actros. At the core of these services is a new team, our e-consultants. They will tackle the major questions of our customers on site, such as the number of charging stations or the most suitable routes. For their daily work, our customers can pick from a broad range of digital solutions. For example, our tools can help customers optimize the charging process of an electric fleet. And I think all of these services will be a great help. They will make our truck really work for our customers in the true sense of the word.
I could not agree more, Karen. Our e-consulting teams will support our customers in every market where we offer the e-Actros. Together with our digital services, these e-consulting teams make the transition to e-mobility as easy and seamless as possible by helping to establish flexible and tailor-made charging setups at our customers' depot, seamlessly combining our digital charge management with our qualified infrastructure partners Siemens, ENGIE and EVBox. From our innovation fleet, we know our customers expect a tailor-made turnkey charging solution. Yet, one more topic is part of every discussion we have: the optimization of total cost of ownership. When it comes to our e-Actros, we support our customers with fully transparent TCO calculations. Besides that, we offer comprehensive incentive consulting so that our customers can benefit from existing governmental incentive programs for carbon-neutral transportation. And with our service contract Mercedes-Benz Complete, our customers always know what they spend in terms of repair and maintenance, as well as wear and tear. Finally, the just mentioned intelligent charge management helps to optimize the charging process and to save money. Another important question for our customers is how they can maximize the use of their electric truck. In other words, how can they make the most of their e-Actros beyond the range of up to 400 kilometers? First, our customers can rely on our professional and proven service in the workshop and on the road. Plus, they can, again, work with our e-consulting team. And MB Uptime will also be available for the new e-Actros, keeping the truck on the road and making workshops visits plannable. Last but not least, with our comprehensive training portfolio, we help fleet operators and drivers to get to know our great new truck and its services inside out. You can see, for us at Mercedes-Benz Trucks, real partnership does not stop with delivering a product.
Now, to put it all together, I'm really confident that the e-Actros will be a success in the market. I think we came up with something good, something our customers can work with. A reliable truck with a decent range and the right set of services to ease the transition to e-mobility. I think we all know making transportation CO2 neutral is a huge task, but it also provides tremendous motivation for me personally and for many, many colleagues at Mercedes-Benz Trucks. Because if we do our job right, enabling our customers to transform will change the world for the better. The Mercedes-Benz e-Actros is one proof point that we're well on our way.